Welcome back. Now, every page setup is going to be individually different. Once you have done your funnel steps, one of the things you're going to want to note is that when you need to go back and determine where your pages lead, you're going to need to do that with each individual setup that you do. So, for example, we are looking at a thank you page, and we have set up the thank you page URL in our funnel settings. We need to know that information because we need to go back and determine that when the opt-in page completes its process, we want the individual to be sent to the thank you page. So what we're going to do is copy this thank you page. We're now going to head back to the opt-in page. We're now going to edit the opt-in page. We edit the opt-in page, we're going to go to the settings. We're going to go to this general tab. And remember, it says that on submit, we want this individual page to go someplace. We want the page to go to the opt-in page. So we're going to place that page inside of this area. We're then going to have the page go to where we want it to go. And again, this is going to be important because we now have a new URL that we can set up to make the funnel work. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.